Hello everyone and welcome back to the Forge. Now recently I broke the cheese slicer that we used in the house to slice our blocks of cheese with. And so today I'm going to come out here to the Forge. I'm going to forge my wife out a new one. We're going to be starting out with a piece of 1/4 inch round stock, 18 inches long. We're going to draw out a 1 inch taper on each end, and then we'll go ahead and move forward with the forging process for the remainder of it. Let's go ahead and get the forge lit up, let's get this steel tossed in there, and let's get to work. Alright, now I'm going to come in here, I'm going to mark the halfway point of our piece of steel here. It's 20 inches long, so we're going to mark it here at 10 inches. Alright, then we're going to want the overall width in here to be at 4 inches, so we're going to measure 2 inches on either side of our mark here. And then we'll go to the vise and we're going to bend this cold at an angle on either side right here. Alright, now my vise has 4-inch wide jaws, so it makes this really easy. So we're going to go ahead and line up our lines here. Clamp it in the vise real good. And we're going to go ahead and bend these. You'll see the angle when I bend the first one, so you can kind of get an idea of that. So. That right there is what we're looking for. You can kind of see the angle there that we went at. Just kind of mimic that. Should work out great. So let's go ahead and bend the other side now. And there we go. So let's get this back in the forge and get ready to bend our loop that will be on the end of the handle that we'll hang our cheese slicer from. Alright, there's our cheese slicer. I think it'll work out for my needs. And appreciate you for joining us today. If you would, hit that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for our newest content. Remember to ring the bell for notifications. And we appreciate you. Have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.